From the first yarn to the final finish, celebrate Australian made. Crusader Hose has been manufacturing layflat hose in Australia for over 35 years. All along the manufacturing chain, our hose and reels are Australian made. A family business spanning 2 generations, Crusader Hose is proud to be supporting the firefighting, agriculture and irrigation, bore water pumping, fuel transfer and mining industries. By displaying Australian made, you can be assured that our products are high quality and offer good value, that our factory is safe and that we support ethical labour. And we work hard to be sustainable, clean and green whenever possible. In 2020, Roy Morgan research found that 92% of Australians trust the Australian-made logo and that 75% of Australians are likely to purchase from retailers that partner with the Australian-made logo. Our recent pandemic highlighted the need to support Australian manufacturing. So come on Aussie, let's get behind Australia and support Australian-made.